How to effectively arrange layers in Figma to make your design process smoother. Let's get started. First, log into your Figma account and open the project you want to work on. Make sure you have your layers visible on the left sidebar. So if it's not visible, you can simply select the layer and it will load here. So before we start rearranging, let's take a quick look at the layer structure. Each layer represents a different element of your design. By default, Figma stacks layers in the order you created them, but sometimes you need to rearrange them for better organization. To arrange layers, you can either click on them directly in the canvas or in the layers panel, just like this. And you can also hold down the Shift key to select multiple layers at once. So let's say I want to select all of these elements. Simply tap in the Shift key on your keyboard. I am going to select this one right here, this one, and this one, and this one. So that means I have already selected all of it at once by just holding that Shift button, that Shift key. And once you select the layers you want to rearrange, you can move them up or down in the layer stack. Simply use the up and down arrows located at the top of the layers panel, like this. Or you can also move it up to side, just like this. And you can also right click on the selected layer and use a bring to front or send to back option. Like here's the option of there's the option of bring to front, and there's the option of send to back. So I can always bring to front again. So this is how you can arrange. And if you have multiple elements that you'd like to keep together, consider grouping them just like this. And another useful tips is you can also lock or hide layers. So that's all. There is still it. You now know how to arrange layers in Figma for a cleaner workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Take Basic for more design tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want more specific tips, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy designing.